to install PickU on Android, open the Google Play Store. You know the rainbow triangle. In the search bar, type PickU photo editor. Not Pickle, not Pikachu, it's PickU. You will see it with pop-up white icon and colorful background. Tap it, hit the big install button, and boom, apps flying into your phone. Wait for a second, maybe do a little dance while it's installed. Once it's done, tap open. Now you are inside PickU. You can now cut out background, swap faces, and turn your cat into a meme. It might ask for permission. Just tap allow so it can access your camera and photos. Also want to use PickU with no watermark or ads? There's a pro version too. But you can totally stick to free. It's already packed with fun tools. That's it. You are all ready to create viral edits and surprise your friends with epic photo transformation. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.